Welcome, it's July. Hope you've had a great start of the summer. I always take June off to be able to just kind of restore, kind of like say, be still. Sometimes we need to fill our own bucket at least a little bit of time so we can then give to others. And so I kind of take June to be able to do that. It's just a way for me to kind of stop, take connection with my family, with God, and to try to get back my bucket so that I can serve my clients. So what I'm doing in July, is that we a lot of time are all facing some health challenges. These are things that could have happened in your 30s, maybe your 40s, your 50s. It all happens to all of us. That we get to a point where like, wow, I didn't realize I was going to have to deal with this, and I don't know where to turn. So a lot of times you start, Googling your symptoms to find out what we should do, and you feel lost and overwhelmed. Sometimes you go to your doctor and you leave with more questions than answers, and that can be very frustrating. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting together a workshop in September to help address some of those things that you are having an issue with that may have come up in your 30s, 40s, and 50s. But here's the best part. I want to tailor it to what you're dealing with. So I want to know, what have been your health struggles? What have you been dealing with? What are you not having answers to that you're wanting to do and know? And so what I'm doing is I'm wanting to tailor this workshop for you. So to be able to do that, I am putting together a Zoom in July 25th at 4 Central Time. 4 Pacific time, to find out what it is that you're dealing with. And so I can be able to address those things and figure out how I can make that workshop be the best for you. So sometimes in life, we just don't feel heard. And so that's the intent, is I want to feel that you are heard. So I can tailor it, so therefore I know how to help you start putting one foot in front of the other to get your life out of the ditch and start being on that journey to phenomenal health. So I look forward to having you join me on the Zoom at 4 o'clock Central Time to find out what you're dealing with so that I can help you get your health and happiness back. All right, well, hope you have a blessed rest of July, and we'll see you on the Zoom. Blessings.